Hey guys, it's Nathan here. In this video I have a very nice new application from Cydia which is called Tone FX. So you'll just search Tone and then F and then X. So you just go ahead and you'll install that, and this is $4.99 for the Pro version, and the Lite version is $2.99. So it is pretty dear. So once you have purchased that, we'll just launch up Tone FX. Now, as you see up the top here, we'll see a whole bunch of our things that we can change our tone of. So as you see up the top here, Tone FX, that's how you spell it. So go ahead and purchase this. Now I'm going to go down and I'm just going to change the sound to when I lock my device. So I can actually choose the default tone, I can silence it, or we can see here, we can choose a whole bunch of sounds from down here. Alright, so we can choose our sound. We can see system tones, so these are all the tones that are actually in the device, like for the alarm. We can see custom tones, which is what you have created, and we can see Winterborn themed tones, which is what I don't actually have at the moment. So I'm just going to set something here. I'm just going to set the new mail one. So as you see, it has a little preview there. Alright, so that's how it will sound. So when I lock my device, there it is. So I think this is pretty cool. You can actually untick that and tick something else if you would like, but I'm not going to actually choose something like that. Now, if you want to actually create your own tone, you'll just go down here and you'll tap on create your own tone. It'll come up this little pop-up, and basically you will just go to tonefx.com and you'll just follow the steps there. So you'll download something onto your computer and you can actually make a tone, and then I'm guessing you'll SSH into your device and put it in here, and then you'll go into whatever, like lock device, and then it'll be listed right here. So that's it. This is called Tone FX. This is pretty nice. I actually really like this. So if you guys like this video, if you guys like this tweak altogether, make sure you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.